Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of WordPress. Today we'll see how can we add Aurora effect in our WordPress website. To add this beautiful effect we need two plugins, Marquee Addons and Marquee Addons Pro. I have installed both plugin in my WordPress website. So after installing both plugin we can create this type of effect to our WordPress website. So I've already opened a page with Elementor page builder. So right now we need a container where we will add actually Aurora effect. So I have I create a container here and I need a text. So copy this one and okay, so we need background image here. So choose this image as background. So our container, we need minimum height for our container. So make it 100 VH. And also for background image, we can add no repeat for our background image, and display size should be covered. So this is how it looks. And for text, we can change its alignment, make it center, and add color to it, and also make it 120 pixel, and I will create that again. Okay, so click on layout and make it center. So this is how our banner look like. So let's add Aurora effect to this banner. So I repeat again, we need two plugins, Marquee Addons, Marquee Addons Pro. So after activating this plugins in container and in style tab, we can see here an option called MA background. So by default, background effect selected default. So we'll select Aurora here. So just add color, for an example red. Okay, red, and make it this one, make it blue. Let's make it pink. Let's make it pink and make it little bit yellow. So after adding this color, we can simply click on here, publish, and we can see that after publishing here, we can see that this is how we can add Aurora effect in our WordPress website. So we have already added. We can change its angle, its blur, and its movement, its speed. That's here we have seen here a notice called higher values move slower and smaller values move faster. So when we increase its value, its Aurora move a little bit slower, and when we decrease its value, it moves a little bit faster. So this is how we can add Aurora effect in our WordPress website. Thanks for watching.